We're going to Newquay. We're gonna go surfing. Yes! I haven't surfed in literally 4 years. You don't think you've ever surfed, right?
No.
This is going to be an interesting trip for both of us, so let's go on this train. If you've never been here before, hi, my name is Kesvi, and for the last 6 years, I've backpacked around places like Borneo, Peru, Guatemala, Mexico, and I've done 2 working holiday visas, one in Australia and one in Canada. So subscribe to join our adventures closer to home, look out for travel advice on working holiday visas, and travel guides to countries I visited pre-YouTube, so we can be travel buddies. I'm gonna link all of Leonie's YouTube channels and shit in the description because I feel like I introduced her but I didn't tell you that I was gonna do that, but now you know.
Now you know, catch me down below.
Catch me outside, bitch.
Catch me outside, how about that?
Came on here to say something. Did you guys know? Oh my god, I just found this out. And this is from someone who has been scuba diving for like 3 years now. That you can go scuba diving in a fucking pool. What the fuck? Guys, that's why they call it open water, because you're going in the open water. Was that just me? Was I being fucking stupid? Oh my god. We're gonna go breakfast now. Oh wait, I'm recording, I don't remember. Never regretted not bringing my sunglasses so much. How does yours look so good? Oh my god, it's so good. Matcha tea latte. Okay, yeah. So you know how I did a packing thing? I forgot my sunglasses because I'm a fucking idiot. So what do you guys think? I think so.
I think so.
I think these are the ones, right?
Yeah.
I tried the other ones and they look so... I look like a fucking alien, I'm not joking.
Looking good.
So I forgot my sunglasses and Leonie just decided that she wasn't gonna bring flip-flops. So there's no evidence that she actually has some at home.
My dog ate one of them.
So here's what's happened. I'm not taking my GoPro because he said most people lose their GoPro. But Leonie,
I'm risking it for a biscuit.
she's risking it for both of us, so hopefully we get some good footage from it.
At least your hair's It was really fun.
The actual surfing part was fun. The thing that wasn't great was that we had to carry the surfboards about 2 kilometers, and it was really painful because they're quite big and neither of our hands fit around it. We didn't take our flip-flops, we didn't think we were going to walk that far.
I just didn't think that we'd walk on a paved sort of paved path.
And it was fucking boiling.
Yeah.
We're both very sore. I've got a blister on my middle finger just here and on the bottom of my left foot. We're gonna go get some ice cream because we deserve it.
So just got our Ben and Jerry's now. I got vanilla bean blondie and double caramel brownie.
And I got vanilla pecan blondie and peanut butter cup. Yummy.
So good.
We're gonna enjoy this view and get some cocktails. Oh my god, that's so good.
I'm gonna take my glove off to eat.
That's actually
Else I'm
the
gonna be covered in
best
butter.
mussels I've ever had.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh, there, yeah. We thought the train was at 22 past, which it wasn't. So technically in our heads we were on time, but we weren't. So we decided, instead of just chilling at the train station, because we've got 2 hours, we thought we'd come, we'd sit, we'd drink some pink gin and lemonade with the view, eat some Kinder Bueno. Wow. have a really bad feeling that I may have gone sunstroke. Oh my god, guys, let me show you my phone. Let me show you what happened to my phone. So, this bit here was like already here. I already cracked that bit. But look, I cracked it all the way up here and all the way down here. My poor phone. And then it died. So, that's why I'm recording on this camera. Oh my god, I think I'm actually gonna die. And I'm actually really scared. She talks, but let me be told by the lovely people here that her battery's dead, so we feel a bit better because according to Leonie, she's really loud. So I was actually quite scared to press the button because I didn't want to make a scene. I'm like the only brown person here, so we just got home and this spot is worse. Like, how has it got worse? I'm just gonna put my hand here so you can't see anymore. It was really insane, right? Like, it feels like this morning was such a long time ago. I feel like I was a different person this morning.
Definitely.
I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. It was kind of messy, it's kind of all over the place, so that sounds about right for my life. Anyway, have a great day, guys. I will be linking all of Leonie's stuff. Fuck me. Linking all of Leonie's.
Leonie.
I'll just be linking Leonie in the description below.